So my next guest today is Juan Arango from Parmi. Great to see you again, Juan.
Hello, Trevor. How are you?
I am very good, my friend. Very good. So tell me what some of the latest things that have been happening at Parmi on your list of SMT inspection equipment.
Absolutely. Our laser technology and with our AI engine for auto programming is really revolutionizing the industry. The amount of interest that we're getting from customers, because in our world, being high mix, low volume,
Yep.
Turning around a program is key.
Absolutely.
And we've been very active in trying to get boards from customers or even them coming and seeing it. And they bring their board, we've never seen it. If they bring a BOM, then it's a lot easier.
Right.
Because if not, we create unique part numbers for everything.
So let me get this straight. For your auto programming system, if you can pull it off a BOM or Gerber data if they've got it, and that makes it easy. But if they don't, you use a laser system to scan the board. Is that what you're doing?
No, we laser. Our technology is laser, right?
Okay.
But the key is, if we don't have a BOM, we don't have part numbers.
Correct. Yeah.
So if it's the same part 10 times, when you go debug, you got to debug 10 times.
Right.
Where if with a BOM, we got the part numbers, and if that part number is used multiple times, you only did it once.
Yeah.
But the beauty is that once it scans, depending on the size of the board, like an 8.5 by 11 board, you're talking max 5 minutes.
Wow.
And
5 minutes.
5 minutes. This customer brought with a tall connector with pins that where they put the fuses. And it took us about 3.5 minutes.
Right.
And then the debugging was another 40 minutes.
Wow.
Then Then he gave us bad boards because it's easy. It does better with a golden board.
Yeah.
Then he gave us bad boards, and every one we ran, he says, "How many defects?" 31. Oh, that's right. Gives us another one. 25. Oh, that's right.
Wow.
So
That's incredible.
it's really amazing.
That's incredible.
And what we have done is we've split the AI auto programming or the package into three.
Okay.
So it's already out, the auto programming with OCV OCR. Second phase is debugging, and that should be ready by Productronica.
Okay. When you say debugging, so that's going to be classifying the defects and making sure.
No. This is polarity,
Okay.
text,
Yeah.
things like that.
Yes. Okay.
And then third phase,
Yeah.
which is the auto classification
Yeah.
and fine tuning, that'll be ready a few months later.
Okay. So hopefully Apex maybe or.
That's the goal.
Right. Excellent. Wow. Yeah. No, I mean, certainly, I mean, things are happening at such a clip at the moment in terms of development of AI. I mean, it really is going to change the inspection process enormously. So eventually, once you get all three of these things in place, we'll end up with no operators on the floor.
What I'm trying to find now is, because we have some customers using it very successfully,
Yeah.
and they're impressed with the OCV OCR part and just all the features that it affords them, right? But some I can't say who's using it because of the type of company, and they won't do a press release or a testimonial, which is the next step I need.
That's intriguing because, I mean, I would think with any of these new systems, it's going to be probably fairly. I'm not going to be too. I wouldn't think military or that would be using sort of high tech stuff like that, or because they usually like to see things tried and tested.
True, but what they've done is, for example, we have had customers, they manually program and inspect, auto program and inspect.
Okay.
And he says, saves us 6 hours. Why would I do it the old-fashioned way?
It makes perfect sense.
So you don't lose anything in the quality, repeatability, and accuracy using AI.
Yes.
It was just to create the program.
Yes.
And within the AI, it even sets the parameters to determine what a lifted lead is and things like that. You know, with the fine-tuning and auto classification, what the goal there is, use the back end with the SPC and be able to change those parameters, to reduce false calls, but no escapes.
And more repeatable quality, really, because at the end of the day, we're the best will in the world if humans make mistakes.
Well, the key there is the consistency as well, because if you're a programmer, I'm a programmer, and he's a programmer, we might do things a little different, right?
Yeah.
But this has one standard. So it does improve the consistency and quality of their programs.
Yes. Excellent. Wow. Exciting times. Well, Juan, we're just a couple of weeks away now from probably the big semiconductor show in North America, Semicon West. I know you're going to be around the show, but I mean, you've got 3 machines that are specific to that end of the technology that are involved in inspection. Can you just, for the benefit of our viewers that are also doing a little bit of packaging in-house, give us a quick overview of what these 3
Absolutely.
products are?
So the Exceed being so flexible in their system and the technology, we can get a sensor head that we put on an Exceed that goes down to 3.5 microns with coaxial lighting.
Wow.
And that's what the packaging people are using because of the resolution.
Yeah. Well, they're in the sub 5 micron space, aren't they? Yeah.
So the next one would be wire bonding.
Yeah.
And that's really picking up.
So you're looking at the bond, you're looking at the shape of the wire.
Correct.
Everything. Yeah.
And we've already sold this year 6.
Right.
So Asia has sold a ton.
Yeah.
But with that, all that's coming back, we really feel that that's going to be a big one.
Well, it's going to be increasing. I mean, we actually need more OSATs, I think, in North America and even in Mexico here. But I mean, so there's going to be an increasing market for that, I would think.
Oh, and we see the same thing. All our market intelligence says that will grow tremendously.
Yeah.
Then the next step that we're doing, which is Arteon, that's our wafer inspection.
Okay, so that's
and
reticle inspection.
There's a lot of companies that, because we've always been in SMT, we're not aware that they have a foundry and they have all the things that an untapped market for us.
Yes.
And leveraging our proven technology and being able to get to those that resolution and accuracy. That one won't be ready till next year, though.
Next year. But it's definitely the way the industry's going. There is this convergence between SMT and advanced packaging, which it's taken 25 years to happen. I started a magazine 25 years ago and called it that.
And you're completely right.
There
was the SMT, that was the, we'll call it Semicon, right?
Yeah.
And the thing is that things for Semicon were super slow and super expensive.
Yeah.
And they were trying to meet in the middle.
Yeah.
And I think it's happening now.
Yeah, it's happening now. There you go. That's great. Anyway, always great to catch up, Juan. I hope I see you in Phoenix.
You will see me in Phoenix.
Okay, look forward to it.
All right. Thank you, Trevor.
Take care.
Kaizen is the leading global supplier of award-winning cleaning chemistries for electronics assembly operations. Whether you are cleaning stencils or final assemblies, our global team of cleaning experts is there to help you succeed. Want to know more? Stop by our booth or visit kaizen.com.